Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start inside your Google account, sign in, and go straight to personal info. Once signed in, open account settings because name changes are stored there. Make sure you're on the correct account if you manage multiple profiles. On desktop, click your profile icon, then manage your Google account. On mobile, tap your profile picture and choose Manage Account. This initial step places you at the profile fields where the name editing option appears, so you can proceed without delay. You now edit the actual name fields. Click Name, then modify first and last as needed. You can add a middle name on some interfaces. Google enforces character rules and limits frequency of changes, so enter the desired spelling carefully. Once done, review the display preview to see how it will look in Gmail, Meet, and Drive. If you use an organization account, note admins may restrict changes. Contact them if fields are locked. Confirm the change to commit it across services. Save your edits and wait briefly for Google to propagate the update across services. You may need to refresh pages, sign out and back in, or restart apps for the new name to appear everywhere. If the change fails, confirm you aren't past Google's name change limit and that the account isn't managed by an organization that blocks edits. As a single troubleshooting tip, clear cache or try an incognito window to rule out local browser issues before escalating to support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.